Hi, everyone. Sorry. Hi, everyone. My name is Jeff Evans. I'm a professional magician, and as you can imagine, not a lot of need for professional magicians right now. There's no events happening. But then I started thinking, how could I still do magic? And I realized I had this light bulb moment. If you can see me, technically I can do magic. Except, I love it when I'm able to interact with people. And you can't interact with people when there's a wall in front of you. However, through the magic of Zoom technology, you can see me, I can see you. You can hear me, I can hear you, and then we can do some real magic. So that's what's going to happen this Friday at 7 o'clock. I've teamed up with my friends at Tumwater Parks and Recreation. They're going to kind of moderate and host this show. It's free, but you have to register through them to get the free Zoom link. So I hope to see you this Friday. And if some of you are wondering, is that actually a light bulb? Does it work? And it does. It lights up. Come on, what were you expecting? Oh, I just do that to see how gullible people are. Oh, also, this Friday, get some coins, just some pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters. Bring those and a pack of cards because I've designed a couple special routines that'll work right where you're seated. I'll be able to break the invisible barrier. Oh, great. So again, it's totally free, but you do need to sign up if you're going to do it. Hope to see you at 7 o'clock. Oh, one last thing. You're not going to believe this. I might save that for later.